Okay? These are the things that you must learn, especially whenever you present. Online or offline. Let's start. Number 1, willingness, commitment, and dedication. Are you happy of what you are doing? Whenever you present, put yourself, or put it into your mind and put it into your heart. Why are you doing this? What is your main goal? Why you are presenting the business? Why you are presenting the BOP? Because you wanted the business and the opportunity to be heard by a lot of people as much as possible. Because whenever you present, remember this, every time you present, chances are that person who have learned the business might be interested and might join you into this business. Alright? So make sure it's part of your responsibility. Okay? It's part of your responsibility to share the business, to share the products, to share how can you be able to create money out of this wonderful opportunity. Since the training is free of charge, ladies and gentlemen, we will be needing your commitment. Alright? We just want each and every one of you to commit yourself. Commit yourself in the business. Commit yourself whenever you train. Give your 100% best whenever you present. Because you would never know. Your icon might be waiting in front of you. Are we together here? Next. Cultivating inner balance and psychological wellness. Are you well? Alright? The basic requirements of your mental and emotional maturity includes qualities. You must have the following qualities. Number 1, you should be sociable. If some of you are afraid to meet other people, this is the best time for you to try. And get out of your comfort zone. You must be adaptable. Adapt the learnings. Okay? Adapt the learnings that you can be able to adapt. Embrace it. Next, reasonable, and definitely, as a good networker and speaker, you must have a good sense of humor. Okay? So people will love you. People who can hear you will never forget you. Create your own image. Alright? In fact, it's a funny thing that there are some trainings online that I usually attend. Alright? There are some, I won't mention definitely, there are some that I have attended that they just presented. After that, that's it. They just presented just for the benefit that they have ended the presentation. Okay? But not knowing the main goal, why we are presenting. They just presented the BOP, then afterwards, what's after? Okay? That's the reason why we are telling each and every one of you, whenever you conduct presentation, whenever you present the business, give your best shot. Because our main goal is to make sure those people who can listen to us, regardless if it's online or offline, they will be interested. And how do you expect them to become interested if you yourself are not excited of what you are doing? Are we learning here? How would you expect your listeners to be excited on Rosenta if you yourself are not excited when explaining and introducing the Rosenta? So as a speaker, you must have this, alright? And whenever you train, you must have this. And definitely, never forget that this is what we call continuous learning. Repetition is the mother of learning. Can you say that? Repetition is the mother of learning. Okay, let me tell you one thing. You know, are you familiar of Celine Dion? You know the music of Celine Dion? Okay, let's say for example, you know that Titanic music. If I'm not every night in my dream, I see you, I feel you. Am I right? Okay. Before, when I was young, I'm still young. Don't worry, I'm not yet old. I love the music. I was fascinated with the music. Oh, I love the music. I love the rhythm. So on and so forth. I don't know the lyrics. So what did I do? What did I do? I checked the lyrics on the internet. Lyrics. My life will, my heart will go on. And then I started on the first line. I read it. Every night in my dreams, I feel you, I see you, and so on and so forth. Now, since I wanted to master it, I play the music and I read together. I sing together. And I continuously repeat it and say every day I keep on reading it. Every morning I keep on playing the song. While I'm in the toilet, doing number 2, I'm reading the song and reading the lyrics. Okay. Then along the way, after a couple of weeks, I just noticed that whenever I play, I can already sing it without the lyrics. Am I right? Then along the way, I can play it and I don't need the lyrics. Even up to the chorus, I can sing it. Next time, you don't have to play it. I myself can sing the song. That is the process of learning. Everybody say learning. Learning. Continuous learning. Everybody say continuous learning. If you keep doing things, okay, if you repeatedly doing things, mark my words, you will going to master it. Some of you might be saying, Mr. Renz, I cannot explain Rosenta. Try to study, try to master, try to share it, try to present it. Eventually, whether you like it or not, mark my words, even though you are blindfolded, you can explain Rosenta. Starting from simple thing. Like what I've said, here you don't have to be great. What matters most, you just need to understand what you need to do as a start. Once you're done with Rosenta, proceed to the next product. Mark my words, afterwards you will be surprised, oh my God, I can already present all the products. Then proceed with the marketing plan. Are we learning here? Yeah. Okay, next, integration. By building upon your knowledge and experience. Everybody say experience. Experience. Experience matters most in this industry. Because those are the things you will be sharing to others. Those are the things that you will be using for you to inspire all your downlines. And imagine, what if you don't have experience? You keep on sharing and you keep on teaching. You need to invite. You need to share Rosenta. You need to share the marketing plan. And you yourself doesn't invite. Does it make sense? No. Definitely not. What stories you will be sharing if you yourself are not inviting, even in Zoom? Okay? How can you have your own stories if you doesn't invite? Do you think that $1 million will just fall down in front of you and you'll be happy? No, that will never be happen. You have to work for it. Okay? So here, knowledge and experience matters most. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Don't be shy to share your experience. Especially the time that you are starting. You know, it's funny, whenever, especially some of us here who are already on the star rank, okay, contemplate, reminisce those times that you have started in this business. During that time, you cannot yet even pronounce well the nicotinamide, mononucleotide, alright? But look where you are right now. It only means one thing, you are growing. Okay? Like what I've said, experience matters most because learning involves the reorganization of your previous experiences and an integration of your knowledge being completed into a new learning experience for you to share to your listeners whenever you are presenting. Now, continuation with the integration, you must give an honest and sincere appreciation. Whenever you speak, even online or offline, I don't know if some of you have already attended our online presentation, I usually appreciate leaders. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, before anything else, I would like to appreciate our early bird a while ago. What is your name again, sir? Dave, ladies and gentlemen, please stand. He is the first person who arrived a while ago. The time, 8:45 a.m. Let's give him a big round of applause. And with that, you have something from him. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, as a speaker, and whenever you train, make sure you appreciate, simple gesture, simple effort. Are you with me? Yeah. A while ago, before we started, I didn't have a chance to speak with some of our beautiful Sapa leaders here. Let's give them a big hand of applause. Because you would never know the feeling of that person that you are appreciating. Simple gestures might change this entire world for that specific day. Alright? And you must accept correction. There will be times you will be speaking. There will be times you will be a speaker. It doesn't mean that you are perfect. Nobody is perfect. Even me. Okay? Even me. Even Coach Adi. Even everybody else. Even us right now, we still attend trainings. because we wanted to learn, we wanted to grow. I myself, I cannot consider myself as a perfect person. I also have my own lapses. But one thing for sure, I make sure I learn, I grow continuously. Okay? You must be as sympathetic with other person's ideas and desire. And if other people will share ideas to you as a speaker, you must welcome them. Alright, next. Wesley lang, you must always be friendly. Okay? That is one of the secrets in this kind of industry. You must be friendly. It doesn't mean that you are going to speak, you are above them. No. Even online, it doesn't mean that you will be presenting online, all those listeners are under you. No. You must be friendly at all times. Make use of your killer smile. Alright? Those wonderful faces in front of me. And you must accept challenges. You must integrate yourself with mature people. And again, experience is the best teacher in this industry. Now, as a speaker, you must be creative and resourceful. Create your own style, create your own image. You must try new methods. Invent new ways of illustrating how to present the products, how to present the marketing plan. Alright? You know, there are some speakers, whenever they will present the Rosenta, they add some energy, they add excitement because that is our flagship product. Okay, like what I mentioned a while ago. How would you expect your listeners to be excited on Rosenta if you yourself as a speaker is not excited? Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you our first product, Rosenta. That's it. Ikutin naman ito. Do you think listeners would be excited? Okay? Add some energy, add some power. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, it's an honor for me to share our wonderful and flagship product, Rosenta. Let's give Rosenta a big round of applause. You know, at least your listeners will feel you. Okay? They will feel how excited you are. And they will be excited too on the products that you are presenting. On the other way around, marketing plan. Imagine we're talking about dollars. Okay? We're talking about $500,000. You have a chance to earn $500,000. Would you not be happy if you have $500,000 on your pocket? You add some power, you add some energy. Okay? And then you must try several approaches when your audience are confused. There are some times also you will be experiencing that your audience is sleeping, especially face-to-face. Some of us here are already presenting face-to-face. You will experience that some of your listeners, especially at the back, okay? At the back, on the right side. Okay, no. There are some who usually experience this, that some of your listeners will sleep, will lay down, and there are some worse. They're very snoring. You don't have to humiliate them. Piece of advice, I would suggest, let's say if you saw someone, let's say for example, Mr. Apo, I saw Mr. Apo. I will just walk, I will just stand beside him and speak beside him. Mark my words, he will be waking up. He will be waking up. Are you together? In fact, I have delivered my message to him that, hey, don't sleep on my training without even humiliating him. Wow. Are you sure? Are we together here? Okay? You don't have to call their attention. Hey! Wake up! Be passionate enough. Like what I've said, as a speaker, you must be friendly at all times. Alright, next. Prepare and plan your presentation. I still do believe that if you learn how to prepare, things will become easy. Okay? Definitely, you must know what you are presenting. Alright? Who do you expect to learn and to know what you are presenting first? Definitely, you as the speaker. You cannot be able to share. You cannot be able to teach those things that you don't know. Find time for you to grow. Find time for you to master the products, especially if you'll be handling POP and even the marketing plan. Prepare yourself with visual aids. Your presentations, your topic, equipments. And the good thing, like what I said a while ago, the good thing here, we have already prepared everything for each and every one of you. The only thing you have to do is to study it once we have sent it to your WhatsApp, translate it to your language of your convenience, alright, and at the same time, try on presenting it. Familiarize yourself with the slides, okay, and to know when to highlight some key points. Later, we will be teaching you some of the slides where to focus. By the way, some of you here needs to leave by 1 o'clock or 1:30. For those of you who will not be able to complete the session, I will be generating, or we are going to schedule a Zoom training with you, especially for those who will be leaving. But for those who will be able to stay here, that's the best thing. At least you can still have me, you can still have Mr. EJ, we can finish the entire presentation. Alright, next, prepare a note for yourself. Whenever you present, there is nothing wrong if you wanted to hold a piece of paper with you. Okay? That will serve as your guide. There's nothing wrong with that. What matters most is you are well prepared whenever you are conducting a presentation. Next, this is very most important. Make sure whenever you face your audience and your listeners, you are well presentable. Imagine Mr. Renz will be entering this hall wearing slippers, wearing singlets, and wearing boxers. Will you listen to me? Definitely not. Okay? Make sure you are your nails, and even the female, tie your hair. For the male, make sure you use a gel. Imagine you're a female and your hair here are not clean. Your audience will never take you seriously. You will be even a laughing stock in your entire presentation. So make yourself presentable. We are talking about health and wellness business here. We are talking about millions here. If you cannot be able to present yourself properly, mark my words, your trainings and your words will never matter to your listeners. Poise and refinement are required characteristics whenever you present. As a speaker, you must be patient, you must be sincere and honesty. Make sure you have honesty with you. Your listeners will know if you are not sincere of what you are talking about. You must be honest and truthful when dealing with your audience, because your audience can easily detect your sincerity. Okay, positive and caring attitude. As a speaker, you must be with this, you must have this, you must always praise audience when they make progress. Okay, like what I did a while ago. But I'm not asking you to give away every time that you will be presenting. Alright? You can appreciate. If somebody will appreciate, if somebody will join your presentation, let's say if somebody will join the discussion, just learn to appreciate. Just ask everybody to give a big round of applause to that speaker. Alright? So they will feel that you didn't forget them. They will feel that they are appreciated. And you encourage them when they are discouraged. Practice, practice, and practice. Now that you have prepared a wonderful speech or presentation, it's time for you to rehearse. Practice, like what Mr. EJ have mentioned a while ago. If you have presentation, you know what I usually do? Let's say, last night, since I've been doing this for I've been doing this for 100 times already, somehow, I still have that hesitation that will I make it good tomorrow? Will I kill the presentation tomorrow? So last night before I sleep, in fact, we're together with Mr. EJ upstairs. We're just staying upstairs. Okay? I stand in front of a mirror and I check myself. And I've been telling myself, good morning, wonderful aces all over the world. Good morning, Malaysian aces. Good morning, Cambodian aces. Good morning, Nigerian aces. Because I wanted to see myself how I will look like the moment I stand here in front of you. And even a while ago, by 8 o'clock in the morning, before our early bird arrives, while Mr. EJ is preparing the slides in the morning, I even stand here. Okay, I even make this, I will be using my left hand for the clicker and right hand for the microphone, and I try myself to walk. I familiarize with the stage, okay, because I wanted to make sure that I will do it as much as possible of my very best. Alright? Next, learn to stimulate the audience. Okay? You must arouse the desire of your audience goal. Especially if you are going to handle the marketing plan. On the marketing plan, we're talking about millions. We're talking about dollars. Learn to excite them. Okay? You must be genuinely interested to other people. You must encourage others also to talk about themselves whenever you wanted somebody to be part of the discussion. Alright? And you must talk in terms of some of other people's interests. Thank the audience, appreciate the audience, prepare and practice how you will conclude and end your presentation. Ending your presentation strongly will leave a lasting impression and help your audience remember you and the message that you have delivered on that specific presentation. And as a speaker, this is what we wanted each and every one of you to become. You must be independent. Everybody say independent. Yes. Alright? Make sure that even though your upline is not around, you can present the products. Even though your upline is not around, you are well knowledgeable on the basic of the marketing plan. That's the reason why we are going to make sure that each and every one of you will be having the modules. We will be providing you this. Okay, the Speaker Skill Program module lying out. We are going to provide you the BOP module. You just have to convert it in your local currency. We will be providing you the NMO module. We are also providing you the DST module. You just have to study it. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, these are the skills. Everybody say skills. Skills. The skills that you will be needing whenever you present. Dynasty Global! Alright, so before anything else, I would like to call on the next speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, let's call back our very own Mr. EJ